With the rapid development of global construction industrialization, Hing Technology is set to become the leading company in the field of aluminum formwork system. Being the largest aluminum formwork systems developer in China, Hing continues to expand to meeting the growing needs worldwide. Our manufacturing and fabrication bases in Guangdong, Jiangxi, Henan, Zhejiang and Hubei provinces can produce up to 5 million square meters of formworks annually to meet the global continuous demand with advanced technology and high-quality aluminum formwork products. Only with a very high-quality foundation can make a building firmly stand for decades. Aluminum formwork can help to achieve this goal. We are able to provide high-quality aluminum formwork due to we own state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, as well as our experienced team. We have 27 core patents in this field, as well as various system certifications, such as ISO 9001 through management details. We are rated #1 in terms of quality by China Vanke and Poly Group, two largest developers in China. With the 5 million square meter production capacities, we can meet huge demands from any client worldwide. Apart from production capacity, we also have a professional and experienced design and research team who have led us to be in the leading position throughout the years. Meanwhile, we are the only enterprise of our kind to own a national-level aluminum formwork physics-chemistry test laboratory. We are also one of the members of National Committee to help draft the China National Standard of Aluminum Formwork. We are able to provide integrated, professional service from design, production to installation. With 1,500 well-trained construction staff, Hing can meet all kinds of construction requirements from our clients. These are some of the work sites we have done in the past years, which demonstrates the performance of our aluminum formwork systems with excellent results. We welcome distributors and users worldwide to come and visit our factories and our projects in China, together to develop a mutual beneficial business.